Finally, we have the data structures called sets. Okay, so they are similar to lists or dictionaries. They are created using curly braces or the set function. Okay, so in this example, we have created here a set using curly braces. So we have here curly braces to indicate the set. Okay, and we can also create a set using the set function. So we have here list of numbers. So here we have a list of numbers, and then this list we can turn it into a set using the set function. So we have here numset is equal to set, okay, which is ang parameter is list of numbers. Okay, so we can, those are the two ways on creating a set. Okay, uh, basically what set function does is it converts list into set. Okay, unlike lists, sets cannot be indexed and cannot have duplicate items or values. Okay, so hindi natin pwedeng gamitin dito yung ginagamit natin sa list na indexing. Okay, and also it cannot have duplicate values. Unlike sa list, pwedeng magkaroon ng duplicate values. Okay, okay, sets removes duplicate values. Okay, so tingnan natin. Let's try this example para makita natin kung paano niya tinatanggal yung mga duplicates. Okay, so here's an example. Let's try our example. Ayan, so meron tayong num set. Tingnan natin yung values or yung mga items or elements within this set. Ayan, so makikita natin na yung mga duplicate inalis na ng sets. Okay, so every duplicate elements will be removed. Okay, so yun yung set. We can add or remove an item or element from a set, from or to a set. Okay, so we have here, for example, yung adds equals 357. So we can use the add method to add an item or element in our set. And also we have here to remove a value or element in our set, we can use the dot remove method. Okay, so kagaya nito, we have 2, 4, 6, 8 doon sa variable events na set natin. But upon removing or upon using the remove method, we remove the 6. So pag print natin yung events, ito na yung result niya. Wala na yung 6. Okay? So those are the methods for adding and removing elements in an existing set in our Python code. And we have here the set operations that are available in Python. So we can use the operations such as union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference in our sets. Okay, so kapag gagamit tayo ng union, ang gagamitin natin na symbol is yung pipe line or vertical bar. And kapag intersection naman, ang gagamitin natin ay yung ampersand symbol and hyphen or dash kapag difference, and gagamitin natin yung caret if we're going to use it for symmetric difference. So here are some examples. Ayan. So we have here the union of set A and set B, intersection of set A and set B. Ayan. And we also have here the difference of sets. Ayan. Ito yung output niya. Okay. Difference of sets. We used this one, dash, and the symmetric difference of A and B. Ayan. So yun yung mga sets. Okay, so those are the operations that we use in sets.